Another important topic, very important topic. You may put triple star radioactivity. Radioactivity. Due to imbalance of force, due to imbalance of forces, due to imbalance of forces inside the nucleus, inside the nucleus, inside the nucleus, due to war, due to limited range of nuclear, limited range, limited range of nuclear, limited range of nuclear forces, nuclides spontaneously spontaneously disintegrate spontaneously disintegrates into other nuclei, other nuclei. This phenomena is called, this phenomenon is called radioactivity. Radioactivity. So radioactivity substance, radioactivity substance, radioactivity substance achieves stability, achieves stability by disintegrating into longer nuclei or lighter nuclei, disintegrated into lighter nuclei and excess energy is emitted in form of radioactivity, the form of radioactive or activity, radioactive in the form of radioactive radiation, So it means here this is the Y and this X. So in the form of this radioactivity, this is the radioactive radiation. These all are radioactive radiation. So this is the X to Y. So the X disintegrated here, the Y plus some radioactive radiation or energy, Y plus radioactive radiation nothing but here the some energy releasing. This we call here radioactivity. So one by one in radioactivity, measurement of radioactivity. So one by one we are going to half life, mean life, one by one we are going to discuss. Another important topic, measurement of radioactivity. So here the radioactivity activity, nothing but here the spontaneous disintegration of nuclei. So radioactivity of an element, radioactivity of element is measured radioactivity of an element is measured in terms of disintegrated per second. Disintegration per second. The rate of which radioactive actives nucleus radioactive nuclei disintegrate radioactive nuclei disintegrate. This rate is called activity. That is called activity. Activity of the radioactivity. Sample radioactivity. If at on instantaneous in an element instantaneous. So in an element instantaneous in an element, time duration dt. So number of nuclei disintegrate dn, then activity of the element is that element of that element in of that element is given as so here the activity AC is equal to, denoted by letter AC is equal to magnitude of dN by dt disintegrated per second or AC should be equal minus dN by dt. So here the units used for radioactivity, here the units used for radioactivity, units used for radioactivity is becquerel, denoted by letter BA, denoted by letter BQ, denoted by letter BQ. This BQ nothing but becquerel. 1 becquerel is equal to, so here the 1 disintegrated per second. So 1 becquerel is equal to 1 disintegrated per second. D means disintegrated, P means per, S means second. 1 disintegrated per second. Other units for radioactivity, other units for radioactive, RA means radioactive radiation. So one is the Curie, another one is the Rutherford. One is the Curie, another one is the Rutherford. So here the 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power 10. 1 Curie is equal to, here the 1 Curie is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 disintegrated per second. Similarly, 1 Rutherford is equal to, so here the 1 Rutherford unit RU is equal to 1 Rutherford is equal to 10 to the power of 6 disintegrated per second. These units very important. Another important topic, fundamental laws of radioactivity. Some laws to understand. Some laws to radioactivity developed, radioactive RA nothing but radioactive developed on the basis of experiments performed by Rutherford and so the in very first one radioactivity RA, radioactivity is purely a nuclear phenomena, it is not concerned with the extranuclear part of an atom. This is the first law. And the second one, radioactive is independent of electronic configuration. radioactive is independent of electronic configuration of an element in different isotopes in different isotopes of radioactive and non-radioactive isotopes non-radioactive isotopes remains same. In third point, radioactive is a random process. That is out of several nuclei in a sample which will disintegrate first is just a matter of chance. Now fourth one, in a radioactive sample due to randomness disintegrate density nothing but dps per volume. So remain constant. These four laws very important.